Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
Every weekend.
Really?
Yes, I love this park.
It's my first time here.
Welcome.
The park is beautiful.
It is.
I like the fresh air.
Me too.
Do you usually come alone?
Sometimes
What do you do here?
I walk and read books.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is.
I enjoy walking too.
That's great.
Do many people visit this park?
Yes, especially on weekends.
I can see many families.
They come with their children.
The flowers are beautiful.
They bloom every spring.
I want to take some pictures.
There are many nice places.
Can you show me one?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there a lake nearby?
Yes, just over there.
I'd like to see it.
Let's walk there.
That's a good idea.
The ducks are fun to watch.
I like feeding ducks.
Many people do.
Do you exercise here too?
Yes, every Saturday morning.
I may come again next weekend.
You should.
I really like this park.
I'm glad to hear that.
It was nice talking with you.
Nice talking with you too.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Enjoy the park.
Is this your first time here? Excuse me, is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you very much.
Where are you from?
I'm from another town.
That's nice.
I'm happy to be here.
What brings you here?
I'm on vacation.
How long will you stay?
3 days.
That's great.
I want to see many places.
Have you visited the museum?
Not yet.
It's very popular.
I'll visit it tomorrow.
Have you been to the city park?
No, not yet.
It's beautiful in the morning.
I'll go there early.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I do.
You'll find many nice views there.
That sounds perfect.
Have you tried the local food?
Not yet.
You should try the famous restaurant nearby.
I will.
Do you need a map?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
The hotel is marked here.
That's helpful.
The shopping street is here too.
Great.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
This city has many friendly people.
I've noticed that.
I'm glad you like it.
Everyone has been very kind.
I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
I will.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
I come here every weekend. Hello. Nice to see you again.
Hello.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every weekend.
Really?
Yes, I enjoy this park.
It's a beautiful place.
I think so too.
What do you usually do here?
I go for a walk.
That sounds relaxing.
It is.
Do you come alone?
Sometimes.
Do you ever come with friends?
Yes, once in a while.
I like coming here too.
That's nice.
I usually read a book.
Reading in the park is peaceful.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
What kind of books do you read?
Adventure stories.
They are exciting.
They really are.
Do you exercise here?
Yes, I jog every Saturday.
That's healthy.
It helps me stay fit.
I want to start jogging too.
You should.
Maybe next weekend.
I'll be here.
Really?
Yes, every weekend.
We can walk together.
I'd like that.
Great.
It will be fun.
The weather is perfect today.
Yes, it's cool and sunny.
I'm happy I came here.
Me too.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Thank you, you too.
See you next weekend.
See you then. Goodbye.
What do you like about this place? Hello. Nice to see you here.
Hello.
What do you like about this place?
I like the peaceful atmosphere.
I agree.
It's always quiet.
The trees are beautiful.
Yes, they give nice shade.
I enjoy the fresh air.
Me too.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every weekend.
That's nice.
It helps me relax.
I like the flowers.
They're colorful.
Have you seen the lake?
Yes, it's beautiful.
I enjoy watching the ducks.
I do too.
Do you walk around the park?
Every time I visit.
I usually bring a book.
Reading here is relaxing.
Sometimes I have a picnic.
That's a great idea.
My family likes this park.
Mine does too.
The walking paths are clean.
Yes, they're well maintained.
Children look happy here.
They have a nice playground.
I also like the benches.
They're perfect for resting.
Do you take pictures here?
Yes, especially at sunset.
I love sunsets too.
They're amazing.
This is my favorite place.
It's one of my favorites too.
I'm glad we talked today.
Me too.
I'll come back next weekend.
I'll probably be here.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Enjoy the park.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great weekend.
I usually sit by the window. Welcome to our cafe.
Thank you.
Would you like a table?
Yes, please.
Where would you like to sit?
I usually sit by the window.
That's a nice place.
I like the view.
The window table is available.
Great.
Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table.
It's perfect.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every Saturday.
I'm glad to hear that.
I enjoy this cafe.
What would you like to drink?
A cup of hot coffee, please.
Would you like sugar?
Just 1 spoon.
And milk?
Yes, a little milk.
Anything to eat?
A cheese sandwich, please.
I'll bring your order soon.
Thank you.
Do you like sitting by the window?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
What do you usually do here?
I read books.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is.
Here is your coffee.
It smells wonderful.
And here is your sandwich.
Thank you very much.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is delicious.
I'm happy you like it.
I always enjoy coming here.
We hope to see you again.
I'll be back next weekend.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
This cafe is really nice. Welcome to our cafe.
Thank you.
Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
Please have a seat.
Thank you very much.
How do you like this place?
This cafe is really nice.
I'm glad you think so.
It's clean and quiet.
We try our best.
I can see that.
Would you like a menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thanks.
What would you like to order?
A cup of coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot coffee.
Would you like sugar?
Just 1 spoon.
And milk?
Yes, a little milk.
Anything to eat?
A chocolate cake, please.
That's a popular choice.
It looks delicious.
I'll bring your order soon.
Thank you.
Here is your coffee.
It smells wonderful.
And your cake.
It looks perfect.
Please enjoy.
I will.
How does the coffee taste?
It's very smooth.
And the cake?
It's fresh and tasty.
I'm happy you like everything.
I'll tell my friends about this cafe.
We'd love to meet them.
I'm sure they'll enjoy it.
Will you visit again?
Yes, definitely.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. See you again soon. Goodbye.
I love coming to this park. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, every weekend.
That's nice.
I love coming to this park.
Really?
Yes, it's my favorite place.
What do you like about it?
I like the fresh air.
The trees are beautiful.
They make the park peaceful.
Do you walk here?
Yes, every morning.
I usually walk in the evening.
That's a nice time too.
Do you come alone?
Sometimes.
Do your friends come with you?
Yes, sometimes they do.
What do you usually do here?
I walk and read books.
I like reading outside too.
It's very relaxing.
Have you seen the lake?
Yes, it's beautiful.
I enjoy watching the birds.
Me too.
There are many flowers here.
They smell wonderful.
Children look happy in the playground.
They always have fun.
The weather is perfect today.
It's cool and sunny.
I'm glad I came here.
Me too.
I'll visit this park again next weekend.
I'll be here.
Maybe we'll meet again.
I hope so.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Enjoy your walk.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
We should meet here again. Hi, it's nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Did you enjoy the park today?
Yes, I did.
The weather is wonderful.
It's perfect for a walk.
I had a great time.
Me too.
We should meet here again.
That's a great idea.
Are you free next Saturday?
Yes, I am.
What time is good for you?
Around 10 in the morning.
That works for me.
Great.
We can walk around the park.
I'd like that.
We can also have coffee later.
Sounds perfect.
Do you know a good cafe nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
I've never been there.
You'll like it.
Do they have good coffee?
Yes, and delicious cakes.
That sounds wonderful.
We can try them together.
Should I bring my camera?
Yes, there are many beautiful places.
I love taking pictures.
Me too.
Maybe we can feed the ducks.
That's always fun.
I'll bring some bread.
Good idea.
I'll be here at 10 o'clock.
I'll be on time.
Don't be late.
I won't.
I'm looking forward to next weekend.
So am I.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you.
See you next Saturday.
See you then. Goodbye.
It's nice to see you here. Hello, it's nice to see you here.
Hello. It's nice to see you too.
How have you been?
I've been very well.
I haven't seen you for a long time.
Yes, it's been a few weeks.
What brings you here today?
I came for a walk.
That's a good idea.
The weather is beautiful.
I love sunny days.
So do I.
Do you visit this park often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
I come here sometimes.
It's a peaceful place.
I enjoy sitting on the benches.
I like walking around the lake.
Have you seen the flowers?
Yes, they're beautiful.
They smell wonderful.
They really do.
Are you here alone?
Yes, today I am.
I'm waiting for my sister.
I hope she arrives soon.
She'll be here in a few minutes.
That's good.
Do you have any plans later?
I'm going to a cafe.
That sounds relaxing.
Would you like to join me?
I'd love to.
Great.
We can have coffee together.
And maybe some cake.
I like chocolate cake.
Me too.
It's always fun talking with you.
I enjoy our conversations.
I'm glad we met today.
Me too.
Let's meet again soon.
I'd like that.
Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Can you take a picture of me? Excuse me.
Yes,
Can you help me?
of course.
Can you take a picture of me?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Here is my phone.
Got it.
Do you know how to use it?
Yes, it's easy.
Great.
Where would you like to stand?
Near those flowers, please.
That's a nice spot.
Can you see me clearly?
Yes, you look great.
Is the background nice?
Yes, the trees look beautiful.
Perfect.
Please smile.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Did you take it?
Yes, I did.
Can I see it?
Of course.
Oh, it looks nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Could you take one more?
Certainly.
I'd like a different pose.
No problem.
I'll stand by the fountain.
That will look great.
I'm ready now.
Smile again.
Did you get it?
Yes, this one is even better.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
You made my day.
I'm happy to help.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.